Hello students, instructor here, John Mandula with another screencast. This one using Cyberduck. I am on a Mac. This is the same if you're on a PC though. So I open up Cyberduck, looks like this. What I can do is click this little plus sign here to add a bookmark. That'll create a new spot, as you can see right down there. And I can name this. I don't think we'll need anything down there. So the nickname, I'll just leave that alone. The server is ftp.sotd.us. Port number is 21. The username, so this is where you're going to enter your username. It's not necessarily the one you use for your webmail and to log in your classes. It's one that you will have gotten from the personal support center when you call them. So for mine, it's fac-johnmandola@sotd.us. And yep, that looks like that. And then I can just close that. It'll show right there, so when I want to access my files, I just double click this. It should take me right to there. If it doesn't, if it prompts you for a password, you can do that. Enter in the password. Also, if it asks you about FTP or SFTP or whatever, just click Don't Tell Me Again and then hit OK, and everything will be just fine. So this is where all your files are. So if you want to add files, I'll show you that. Okay, so here we are. I have over here is Cyberduck, right here, and then over here is just a basic, folder, Finder window. If you're on a PC, it would just be a window. So if I want to add files, like for example, if I want to, let's say I want to add this zip to my canine site folder, site about dogs. I can just take this, I drag it over, and I drag it to the appropriate folder that I want. Little plus sign, and I let go. I'll see a transfer window pop up, and it'll let me know that it's transferring, show me how big it is, how fast it's going, things like that. And then as soon as it's done, it's upload complete, and then I can close it, and I'll see that there it is. So now this is actually accessible online. Another thing I can do too is I can grab stuff the other direction. So if I want something like that, if I want this HTML document, I can either edit it with and choose something to edit with, or I can just download to and pick where I want it to download to. So maybe I want to throw this on the desktop for right now. Choose that. Again, it's showing me transfer, and I can go look on my desktop to see if it's there. Desktop, close this up, and there's the philosophy.html document, which I would probably want to put in the site folder, but for right now it's okay. And then I would edit it with Dreamweaver, save it, and then when I'm done with it, I can re-upload it or retransfer it into here. So the most recent version is online. And if I want to see this in the browser, what I could do is to remember what my username is. So I'm going to go here, open up a new tab here. So for me, it's sotd.us. Everyone's going to have that. / and it's your username. So for me, it's fac-johnmandola / if I right there, I can see that this is what I'm going to see if I just go to sotd.us / my username. It's me here, and if there's the canine site folder, I can click in there. Since I have an index file, it shows me this, which this really isn't the most recent one, but if I want to go to a different file, I can just type it in here. So I want to go to index3.html. There we go. So this is the document in the browser. So that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, let me know. And it's always good if you re-upload something with Cyberduck, you can always just refresh the page or reload it, and it'll show the most recent thing that you've done. That's all I got. Thank you. Goodbye.